The main drivers of climate change are greenhouse gas emissions. Forests are one of our ways out. They are essentially the lungs of the planet, huge climate regulators at a global scale. Losing them is not an option. Around 2.6 billion people still cook with solid fuels such as charcoal, firewood and kerosene. The use of open fires and inefficient stoves produce high levels of household air pollution with a range of health-damaging pollutants. Exposure is particularly high amongst women and young children. 2 billion trees felled each year for traditional cooking fuel. 97% Kenya's households still using traditional energy. 4.2 million premature deaths annually among children and adults from respiratory and cardiovascular disease and cancer. 20% households using liquefied petroleum gas. 60% gender-based violence cases due to lack of clean cooking. 3 productive hours wasted by women collecting firewood per day. 9% Kenya's current forest cover. At the foothills of Mount Kenya, Karimi wakes her son Timothy to go to school. She also leaves to go in search of firewood. Timothy waits for some food. He's ready for school, but he has to leave without breakfast or he'll be late. Karimi struggles to find firewood. There are only dry twigs that will provide noxious smoke. Karimi can bear it, but Timothy's eyes and chest cannot. The alternative source of fuel is very dusty charcoal. Charcoal emits carbon monoxide. Out of concern, Karimi's neighbor, Mama Yvonne, shares her reasoned solution. Havgas, an innovative and sustainable cooking solution. Clean, reliable, efficient, safe and affordable, leaving no one behind. Think green. Think Havgas.
Koi niger ne amochi, ogere kaya amochini, du mi be ngwe, kosin ngale kamnese. Ongale kamnese ko muritebi, onge mochine, Havgas ju mi ngwe, penywa.
Kutoka nianze kutumia gasi ya Havgas, kupika ni chap chap. Hakuna moshi, maisha ni mzuri.
Kore na gas naitumia kasaidi olarin ongwan. Na gasidai. Menyanyige nkuk nemenyanyige irkeek amere mburuo nemera endogi nemitumuthike moti teniyir.
Kuma rĩrĩa ndambĩrĩirie kũhũthĩra Havgas, thaburia ciakwa itherete biũ ona ndihũthagĩra gĩbiriti. Mimi hutumia kaka gas, ni kazuri sana kwa msee anaanza life. Juu like nikitoka chuo nakichanga tu hapa unachukua gas na naendelea kupika for 1 week.
Uplifting and empowering the livelihoods of women and children, youth, people with disability, and marginalized communities in arid and semi-arid lands. A Kenyan solution that goes beyond borders. Havgas, a disruptive innovation powered by Antankara Group.